Ever wish you could clone yourself to handle every Facebook message instantly? Today, we're unlocking the secrets to Facebook page auto replies, so you can provide instant customer service, even when you're away. First, head over to your Facebook business page and click on the Settings tab located at the bottom left of your screen. Next, in the left-hand menu, find and click on Messaging. This will open the messaging settings, then select the Automation tab. Now, let's set up an instant reply. Toggle the switch to the on position. This will enable an immediate automated response to anyone who messages your page. Here, you can customize the default message, craft a welcoming greeting, and let your customers know you'll respond shortly. Personalize it with their name using the provided options for a more engaging touch. Want to tackle common questions? Scroll down to the Frequently Asked Questions section. Click Edit and add questions that people often ask. Provide concise answers to address their concerns. Don't forget the away message. Set the dates and times you'll be unavailable, and craft a message letting customers know when they can expect a response. Always hit save after making any changes, and there you have it. You've successfully set up automated responses for your Facebook page. Now you can engage customers 24/7 and free up your time. Like this video and subscribe for more Facebook marketing tips.